It screws with your ear, right? Yeah. Sounds amazing. All right, guys. So there's really not much I can do. It's snow all over the place. I got this little man, this little man. Oh, that did not work out the way I thought. So we're gonna go sledding, have a little bit of fun, and what I want to do is rewind the clock just a little bit and show you guys a build that I saw over at Atco. It was by the same guy that built the 426 NA. I believe it's the same tuner and everything. Let's see the time slip.
My baby's back, and that's with a bunch of timing bolts so I could hook.
There it is. There. I mean, you said you would run it, and you did.
I told you it's a
good job. Car. Are you happy with that?
I am, yes.
And I'll tell you, this lime green 440 did absolutely amazing. I was so impressed. I was waiting to show you guys this footage. So I am going to head out with these two, have a little bit of fun, do some sledding and whatnot, and let me know in the comments below what do you guys think of that 440. You're a 440 NA? Naturally aspirate? Okay. Nitrous? What do you think you're gonna run? Mid-10s? Nice. Started off as a 5.7, and then what'd you drop an SRT motor in there and stroked it? That's cool, man. That's real cool. All right. At 130, 11.55, 120. It screws with your ear, right? Yeah. Sounds amazing. So this is a NA 440, the green Charger.
28 seconds in. But remember, we will not start racing for the next session